It's a very simple problem. Okay, so we have to solve that double integration where region is bounded by these curves. Okay, but we have to convert into some another variable. We have to put something and then we have to solve the problem. As you can see here, by suitable change of variables, okay, using suitable change of variables, we have to solve the problem. So let us write the given question first. I have written the integral here. I will mention the region bounded by what have they given? Xy is equal to 4, right? Xy is equal to 8 and xy cube is equal to 5 and xy cube is equal to 15. So after that we have to put something, putting, okay. See what will I do? You can see there is a pattern. So first for two equations we have xy and in last two equations we have xy cube. So that's why I'm going to put xy is equal to u and xy cube is equal to v. Xy is equal to u and xy cube is equal to v. So our first task is to calculate Jacobian, but it is difficult to calculate Jacobian in this case. So I will go for z dash first. Then z dash, what is its formula? Determinant of deva u by deva x, deva u by deva y, deva v by deva x and deva v by deva y. So this is equal to determinant of, see, derivative of u. I am finding derivative of u with respect to x. So when you find derivative with respect to x, we consider y as a constant. So y is constant here and derivative of x is 1. So 1 into y we will have y. Derivative of u with respect to y, x is constant, derivative of y is 1, 1 into x is x. Derivative of v with respect to x, y cube is constant, derivative of x is 1, 1 into y cube, y cube. Derivative of v with respect to y, so this time x is constant, derivative of y cube is 3y square, so the derivative is 3xy square. Let us simplify it further. This is equal to, you know that how to solve determinant, product of these two elements minus product of this diagonal element. So this is 3xy cube, right, minus xy cube. So here we will have 2xy cube. So which is equal to, but see we have already called xy cube as xy cube is equal to v. So we can write this is equal to 2v. Okay. Then actually we want Jacobian whose value is 1 upon z dash. So this is 1 upon 2v we have got. Okay. So see then region in UV plane, let us see what we have in region in UV plane. What is the first equation we have? Xy is equal to 4, xy is equal to 4, which is xy, where is my xy? U. So this is u is equal to 4. Next xy is equal to 8, right? Xy is equal to 8. So that means u is equal to 8. Next xy cube is equal to what we have 5, that means xy cube, which is equal to v. So v is equal to 5. See actually I supposed to write one more equation but there is no more space. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. Okay, so last equation is remaining. What is the last equation? Xy cube, which is equal to 15. So this is nothing but v. So v is equal to 15. So we have this curve. U is equal to 4, u is equal to 8, v is equal to 5 and v is equal to 15. So I am drawing a rough sketch here. This is u axis and this is v axis. Okay. Suppose u is equal to 4 is here. Suppose this is u is equal to 4. This is u is equal to 8. Getting? U is equal to 4 and u is equal to 8. We have v is equal to 5. So this is v is equal to 5. And see we have one more. This is v is equal to 15. It's simply a rough sketch. Okay. So region bounded by these 4 lines, that means a rectangle we get there, right? So limits, if you want I can draw here. So obviously we consider the strip parallel to v axis. Then v varies from, I should write in this way, 5 to 15, and u varies from 4 to 8. Okay. So let us discuss integral now. Then I is equal to, what we have, I is equal to double integration s dx dy. See, this part is not required, so let me remove it. Okay, see, then, so this is equal to, into what we have a limits, this is 4 to 8 and this is 5 to 15, right? We write j dv du. So which is equal to integration 4 to 8, 5 to 15. You remember what was our j? Our j is 1 upon 2v dv du. See, this 1 by 2 is constant, will come outside. 1 by 2 is constant, come outside. Integration 4 to 8. What is integration of 1 by v? It is log v 5 to 15 du. There is no more space to write, so make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. So let us continue. So 1 by 2 integration 4 to 8. See, I will put upper limit, so we will have log 15. If I put lower limit, log 5 du. You know the property of log a minus log b, log a minus log b, which is equal to log a by b. So this property we have, I am going to use it. So if I use property here, log 15 minus log 5, which is log 15 by 5, that means log 3. It's a constant, I am taking it outside, log 3 by 2. So if you take this constant outside, we have a simply du. What is its integration? Its integration is u, having limit 4 to 8. So let me remove this part, it is not required. This formula also we have used. Just a minute, okay? It is clear now. So this is equal to log 3 by 2. If you put upper limit 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4, which is 4. 2 will get cancelled. And therefore we will have I is equal to 2 log 3. So there is one more property of log. You can change, you can shift it to the power of 3. That means log 9. Or if you keep as it is, then also it is correct. So this is required answer. Make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.